Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You should start by confirming the email or phone tied to your account. Once done, prepare a strong new password, at least 12 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Now open Snapchat and tap your profile, then the gear icon to reach settings. You're not just changing text, you're protecting access. Make sure you remember the current password if prompted. Otherwise, be ready to use the account recovery option. Proceed directly to account security options to continue. Once in security, select password. You'll be asked to enter your current password first, so type it carefully. Next, enter your new password, confirm it exactly, and save. This step replaces old credentials across devices. After saving, make sure to enable 2FA for added protection. Choose SMS or an authenticator app and follow prompts to link it. This prevents unauthorized logins even if the password is compromised. Remember to update any password managers you use, so you do not get locked out later. After changing the password, log out of other devices from settings, and then log back in on your primary device to verify the change took effect. Make sure to update password managers and any saved credentials on phones or tablets so syncing continues. If you encounter problems, like not remembering your current password, use the linked email or phone to request a reset. If that fails, contact Snapchat support through the app. One key troubleshooting tip: check spam folders for recovery emails before repeating requests.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.